and the husband being the head of your union, you should love her as you love your body. Praise God. This is a great mystery, as Apostle Paul said. Praise God. So, my brothers and sisters, this is the proper way of how we could treat and understand submission to authority. Praise God. Even though you were raised, as I said a while ago, into a different culture and race or country, yet when we base our belief to the Word of God, praise God, no matter what race you belong, we must submit to the instruction of the Bible. Praise the Lord. So, may I ask Brother John and Farida to please stand. Meron ba tayo ano dyan? There will be some song to serenade you. Praise God. Before we proceed to your wedding vow. Dapat yung mga anak ng magkakabit ng mga belo-belo ganyan eh. Wait for a minute.